Welcome, everyone. We've put together this guide for senior management, and it's based on some really crucial research from a report by Virtualization Options LLC. We're here to basically challenge the old way of thinking about cybersecurity training, especially in the age of AI. It's time to move past just annual compliance and get into a mindset of continuous defense. So over the next few minutes, we're going to walk through the critical business risks that this report highlights. And, these aren't just hypotheticals anymore. They are a very real, clear, and present danger to your business. Let's just start with a number, shall we? $4.45 million. Let that sink in. According to IBM, that was the average cost of a single data breach in 2023. And guess what? That number's climbing, and it's climbing fast. The real question isn't if a breach will happen anymore, it's when. And more importantly, are you truly prepared? Well, the reality is, the entire threat landscape has just fundamentally changed. We are in a brand new era where AI-powered attacks aren't just coming at you faster, they're smarter. They're literally adapting in real time to get around your old-school defenses. Okay, so here's how we're going to break this down. First, we'll talk about this new era of risk. Then, we'll dig into why that annual training model is so broken. After that, we'll look at the huge ripple effect this has on all your stakeholders. And then, we'll get to the good stuff, the modern defense and the new standard of diligence it sets. Right, first things first. We have to get our heads around the fact that cybersecurity is now an AI arms race. It's a high-stakes game, and honestly, the advantage goes to whoever can adapt the fastest. And the bad guys? They're using AI to hit the weakest link in any security chain, your people. We're talking about hyper-personalized phishing emails that are almost impossible to spot, malware that actually rewrites its own code to stay hidden, and a massive jump in deepfakes tricking employees. The speed of these attacks is just, it's absolutely unprecedented. So, when you're facing this new reality, how are most companies defending themselves? Well, the answer is pretty scary. It's with a dangerously outdated model that gives everyone a false, and I mean false, sense of security. That traditional once-a-year training session? Let's just call it what it is, compliance theater. It's just a show. The content is stale the minute it's created. It's generic, it's not tailored to what people actually do. And here's the kicker. People forget almost everything within a few weeks, which leaves your organization completely exposed for the rest of the year. Now, what's so powerful about this slide is the contrast it shows. We have to move from this static, one-size-fits-all event to a dynamic, continuous process. The whole goal shifts. It's not about checking a box for an audit anymore. It's about driving real, measurable changes in behavior that actually lower your risk. All right, let's look at how this internal failure to train properly creates this huge cascade of external risks. See, this isn't just an internal problem. It creates a dangerous ripple effect across your entire business ecosystem. And the first group, the ones who feel it immediately, your customers. Their trust is in your hands. And with every outdated training module, you're basically putting them right in the line of fire. So here's the bottom line. When an employee clicks on the wrong link, that's not just some small IT incident. No, it's the potential exposure of customer data, a direct hit to your brand's reputation, and the trigger for enormous regulatory fines and class action lawsuits. And here's the big shift. Your smartest customers, especially enterprise ones, they're not just taking your word for it anymore. They are now actively auditing their vendors' training programs. It's becoming a standard part of their due diligence, and they are demanding proof of a modern, continuous defense. Okay, next up. That ripple now spreads to your partners and your entire supply chain. In today's hyper-connected world, your security weakness can become their business-ending crisis, and you'll be the one holding the bag. Think about it. A single compromised password from one of your employees can act like a master key, unlocking the systems of dozens of your partners. This leads to what the report calls reputational contagion. Your failure infects everyone you do business with. And that means contractual liability and massive operational chaos. Because of this, how mature a partner's security training is now a critical sign of their overall security health. If they're still stuck in that annual-only world, that is a major, major red flag that you just can't afford to ignore. And finally, that ripple hits your investors. This risk isn't just some abstract threat. It's a direct hit to your bottom line. And for leadership, it could even put your personal assets on the line. Let me be crystal clear here.
Inadequate training is not an IT department issue anymore. With the new SEC disclosure rules and the constant threat of lawsuits, it is now a board-level governance failure. It directly impacts shareholder value and, critically, it creates a growing personal liability for directors and officers.
So now investors should be demanding to see the numbers, metrics that actually show a reduction in human-caused breaches. You see, the difference between an annual check-the-box program and a continuous adaptive defense is really the difference between proactive risk management and reactive negligence. So with all this risk piling up, what on earth is the solution? Well, it's not about doing more of the same old thing. It's about switching to a modern, adaptive system of defense, one that's auditable, measurable, and, actually effective. This is the new model, continuous AI-driven training. It's a system that treats your people not as liabilities, but as a critical layer of your security. It delivers personalized, just-in-time coaching that literally adapts in real time to new threats and what individual employees are doing. This fundamental shift, moving from a once-a-year event to a continuous program, it establishes a new and, frankly, a legally necessary standard of care. It's what separates a liability from an assurance. And this quote just perfectly captures the core takeaway from the report. The type of training you have is now a direct proxy for your company's entire risk profile and its governance maturity. It's a question every single customer, partner, and investor should be asking you. Which brings us to the final and most critical question that every leader really needs to ask themselves. In this new era of AI-driven threats, is your security training program a genuine defense, or is it just auditable negligence? The answer to that question could very well define your organization's resilience and its liability for years to come.